Okay, well, according to the radar here, it looks like this storm is approaching. I don't know that I necessarily need to go any further north, and I've got a good place here, a good vantage point. Should be here in just a few minutes, so I'm going to sit here and wait. I don't really see much out there. Let's see, this should be west, and this is north. I don't really see much, if you can see it approaching yet. All right, just check the compass. And it says I am facing north, so that's west. Storm's kind of moving from west to east, but the line is moving southward, so I guess we got to look sort of to the west. I guess it looks sort of dark out there. It's hard to tell. This storm is embedded in low cloudiness and not typical to have temperatures in the 40s and thunderstorms. So, but I'm sure just a little bit above ground level, it's warmer. And it's definitely getting considerably darker here now. The time is 4:53 p.m. Wow, look at those clouds move. I don't know if you can see with the contrast on there. Those things are really moving out. Wow. Them going across there. Alright, it does look like there's another cell behind that one approaching. We're right on this line here, right where it curves. There's no warnings, those are all to the south. Pittsburgh is under warning for that little cell. It looks like this next cell is getting ready to move over now. I think I hear hail. Yeah, that's hail. That's only pea-sized though. Yeah, just little pea-sized hail.